Allow me to introduce the new Fleetwood Fortis. I'm Keith Packard with Rev RV Group, and I wanted to show you this brand new product for 2020. This is going to be fitting right in between our current model, the Flare, and the Bounder, hitting a really great price point for camping. First thing I want to point out is the front cap. Look at this beautiful aggressive cap. You've got LED lights. It is gorgeous. A one-piece windshield. Now, this is on a gas motorhome, and like all gas motorhomes, it's on the Ford F53 chassis. This is a 22,000-pound chassis, so you've got a lot of carrying capacity and a lot of additional weight to be able to accommodate all the beautiful features that are on this motorhome. First and foremost, we're going to a 22.5-inch aluminum wheel on the Fleetwood Fortis. Previously, coaches in this price point only had 19.5-inch wheels. You've got a partial paint version with Sikkens performance coating. You've got tape-on graphics, which simulate a paint fade, which is really a high-end look on a mid-priced motorhome. In addition, you've got a 50-inch TV for when you're rocking the box and you're partying out on this side of the coach. You've got speakers here that are attached to a Bluetooth radio in the bedroom, so you can be out here hooked on with your smartphone, changing the music that you want to hear. Pass-through storage in all of these bays, except where the LP tank is, gives you a lot of room, so when you want to run away from home, you can run away from home. Now we're on the inside of the brand new 2020 Fleetwood Fortis. So this price point, this coach is jam-packed with features that none of my competitors can even come close to. Let's start with the dash up front. As you look at the dash, you've got dual monitors. One monitor is for your audio visual, the other monitor is for your rear and side vision camera with one-way audio. In addition to that, you can run a split screen on those cameras. So as you're rolling down the road, you could be watching all three cameras at the same time, 360-degree viewing all the way around the motorhome. Speaking of viewing, if you look to the center of the dash, you're going to see a mounted collision mitigation system on the windshield. So this isn't going to do anything with the brakes or the steering because it's an aftermarket system, but what it will do is you set the distance you want to get an audible tone, and if you get within a certain distance, it will give you an audible tone that you're getting too close. You can also turn on and off the lane departure noise, so if you start to veer out of your lane, it's going to give you a beep. That is a great feature to have, particularly when you're trying to get from Ohio to Florida in one day and you're getting sleepy. One of the other great features that started in the 1987 Fleetwood Bounder way back then was a laptop tray in the dash. However, back then it wasn't for a laptop tray, it was for a sewing machine. Above me is Fleetwood's exclusive Hide-A-Loft. This Hide-A-Loft holds not 200 pounds, not 400 pounds, not 500 pounds, but 650 pounds. And it comes down far enough below these seats to where you not only have enough weight capacity for two chunky adults like me, you've got enough headroom for two chunky adults like me. Look at this gorgeous feature wall. Every single Fortis, every single Flare, every single Bounder, every single Southwind, every single Pacero, Pacero LXC, Discovery LXC, all have a gorgeous feature wall. I want this in my house. Just like in a higher-end motorhome, solid surface countertops, right out of HGTV, you've got a stainless steel farm sink. How beautiful is that? One of the other things that I like to point out, because not all manufacturers do it, you've got smoked glass in the overhead, and the overhead has an adjustable shelf. I know, it's a little thing. It's $7 worth of hardware. But you would be surprised how many of my competitors don't have a shelf, and if they do, it's a fixed shelf. That way, they're telling you where you have to put your cornflakes. This is an adjustable shelf. You can put your cornflakes anywhere you want to put your cornflakes. Also, you've got a beautiful stainless steel sink, a microwave convection oven, a stainless steel range with a backsplash that's glass. This is gorgeous. It's going to keep all that beautiful tile clean when you're doing a hamburger or something greasy up here. The other nice thing about this is tile. It's not plastic, it's not paper, it's real honest to goodness tile. You've got a residential refrigerator. So everybody gets a little nervous about residential refrigerators. Let me talk about that for a second. Residential refrigerators are working great because of the technology that comes along with it. You've got a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter in this motorhome. You've got 4 house batteries. 2 of them are dedicated just to keeping the popsicles frozen and the beer cold. And all of that is controlled from this system here. This is a precision circuit system. This is a whole house system that does everything. And the neat thing about this system, you download the Precision Plex app for your smartphone or your Samsung device, and you can do everything except put the jacks down from your cell phone. This is a neat feature. You're out for dinner, you want to turn the air conditioning on, you can do it from your cell phone. You want to turn lights on, you can do it from your cell phone. On our way to the bedroom, we're going to pass this giant closet. So this could be 3 things. Here you show the optional washer and dryer. You can also do an all-in-one washer dryer, which would give you more hanging space, or you can just omit the washer dryer and it's a big wardrobe. The neat thing about it is it's pre-plumbed and pre-wired, so if down the road you decide you want to add a washer dryer, you can, because all of the infrastructure is there for it. Moving back into the bedroom, a large king bed, and look at all the storage back here. You've got a beautiful new padded headboard. In addition to that, tons of storage, but you also have your full bath in the back. That's right, 35-foot motorhome, this is a bath and a half. The beautiful new Fleetwood Fortis. Get to a dealer near you.